Kubor nakaslem jong unong san hima. Manamtut ka kam ka jam na mga jingbam biyang ka boarding. One shaka orange electrical loan sopo not my nakabenta ki diesel generator.
Sarkar Meghalaya hagala ski ublay kalaray ban pli biang iyang mani nadu katayo baningkong jo bunai risau arpo lara ka jinglong jingman hagabay day ba khalam covid ka kandai kala khambiang hagala ski ublay kaladan gejelang ba kinong ilam niam hagaba nakaliang ka sarkar lakhli du menteri rangba Conrad ke sangba
forward when it comes to places of worship. So therefore, with this at the government level, simply take and push it on the organizations. We feel that it's important to carry people along and carry the different. So I would like to hear from some of you, or if others would like to speak and the points. You don't need to address anybody. You just simply go ahead and give your opinion.
Habakaran jigilat pathai kubor usambut menteri rangba ba Preston Tensong ulaong ba entau ya gawe kanhon ban kanthop iginong ilam niam ba pher hagaba anya don langru chief secretary ban pej benia igijing batai ba ki hukum ki badai ban board lane kita gi standard operating procedures hagi yek bani bat ki be gi jaka mani.
Ultimately the decision was taken number one before reopening of one subcommittee was decided to constitute under the chairmanship of the Chief Secretary Government of Meghalaya and also few members from the Shillong All Faiths Forum for revisiting back the drafting of protocols and SOPs. Point number 2, the forum has expressed if everything goes well, if the situation improves, they are ready to start reopening of the worshipping places throughout the state of Meghalaya from the first week of October 2020.